Hey there, fellow professionals. Are you eager to level up in your career? Well, you're in the right place. In today's vlog, we're diving into the secrets of workplace promotion and sharing some game-changing strategies to help you climb that corporate ladder. From excelling in your current role to building strong relationships and showcasing your achievements, we've got you covered. Get ready to unlock your full potential and pave your way to success. So, let's jump right in and explore the practical tips and insights that will accelerate your career growth. Stay tuned. Promoting in the workplace requires a combination of hard work, dedication, and strategic actions. Here are some tips to help you promote yourself in your workplace. 1. Set clear goals. Define your career goals and identify the skills and experience you need to acquire to reach the next level. Having a clear vision will guide your efforts and help you prioritize your actions. 2. Excel at your current role. Focus on performing exceptionally well in your current position. Consistently meet and exceed your targets. Take on additional responsibilities and demonstrate a strong work ethic. Become known as a reliable and high-performing team member. 3. Develop your skills. Continuously enhance your skills and knowledge through professional development opportunities. Attend relevant workshops, seminars, and training programs to stay up to date with industry trends and best practices. Seek out learning opportunity within and outside your organization. 4. Seek feedback. Regularly seek feedback from your supervisors, colleagues, and mentors. Actively listen to their input and take constructive criticism positively. Use the feedback to improve your performance and make necessary adjustments. 5. Build strong relationships. Cultivate positive relationships with your colleagues, superiors, and other influential individuals within your organization. Collaborate effectively, offer assistance, and demonstrate your willingness to contribute to the success of the team. Networking within and outside your organization can provide valuable connections and opportunities. 6. Take initiative. Look for ways to go above and beyond your job description. Identify problems or challenges within your workplace and propose solutions. Take the lead on projects, volunteer for additional responsibilities, and demonstrate your ability to take initiative and make a positive impact. 7. Communicate effectively. Develop strong communication skills, both written and verbal. Express your ideas clearly and concisely, and actively listen to others. Effective communication helps build credibility and fosters positive relationships with colleagues and superiors. 8. Showcase your achievements. Keep a record of your accomplishments and successes. When appropriate, share your achievements with your supervisor or during performance reviews. Provide evidence of your contributions to the organization's goals and demonstrate the value you bring to the team. 9. Seek opportunities for growth. Actively look for opportunities to take on new challenges or projects that align with your career goals. This may involve volunteering for cross-functional teams, seeking out special assignments, or expressing interest in promotions or lateral moves within your organization. 10. Stay positive and adaptable. Maintain a positive attitude even during challenging times. Be adaptable and open to change, as it shows your resilience and willingness to grow. Embrace new technologies, processes, and ideas that can benefit your organization. Remember, promoting in the workplace is not solely dependent on your efforts. Organizational factors such as the availability of opportunities and the company's policies also play a role. However, by consistently delivering high-quality work, developing your skills, and fostering positive relationships, you increase your chances of being considered for promotions and advancement in your career. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you found our vlog on workplace promotion insightful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this vlog, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, keeping aiming high, enjoy your journey to a brighter future. Take care.